Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off call forwarding option on Android. First of all, go for your phone app, then tap on three dot option here, tap on settings. Now go for calling accounts or call option on your mobile. Then tap on your SIM cards. Now you can see in the second I have the call forwarding option. Then go for voice call forward. Just wait for a minute or second. So yeah, now you can see I have a number here. So just tap on here, turn off, and it's now updating. Okay, wait for a second. So yeah, now it's turned off. So guys, this is how you can turn off call forwarding option on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.